Napoleon Grills, and we'd like to show you some new products that we have available here through Woodard Mercantile. These are our charcoal and travel series grills. These are awesome grills. Everybody needs a Kettle Grill at their house. What's really cool about these Kettle Grills is how they are built. They are also backed by a 10-year warranty as well. So very good quality for you charcoal lovers. They're an awesome grill. One of our most exciting products that we have out right now is our Napoleon Travel Cube series. This is really awesome. It folds up like a dolly. So if you want to put it in your trunk of your car, the back of an SUV or your pickup, you're going out to the lake, you're out hunting, there's just two people at home, it's really neat to move around. I'm going to show you how you bring this up. This is one of my favorite features here. So you just pull the grill up and you want to make sure that you hear it latch. You can put your side down. One of the neat features here, this is a propane grill. That's the only way that you can use it, I should say that. This grill is also a griddle. It comes with the griddle inside. So if you want to do your eggs and your sausage and your bacon and all that stuff, pancakes while you're out at the lake, out on a hunt, or if you're just at home and there's two people, it's a really awesome grill. But this is our Travel Q series, like I said. This grill is also backed by a 10-year warranty as well. It is probably one of the coolest new grills out on the market. It is on a Scissor-Cart, and it locks itself up, so that way when you are ready to fold it back up and you're done, you can stow it away really nice, and it's a great Christmas gift. Come out and check out Napoleon here and see the great staff at Woodard Mercantile for any questions.